Good morning, everyone. Happy Africa Day to all Africans and happy Mother's Day to other continents. So today I woke up and someone gave me this thing. It's an iPhone 4. Yes, it's cracked and tired, but someone brought it to me and they need me to unlock it. So this is what it's saying. It says iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes, and that's what it gives you, and you can't do anything on that. So I'm going to take you through a series of steps on how and what we can do to do this. This is my phone, in case you're wondering. This is the phone that I'm actually using. This is not my phone, and it's a Siemens. Let me show you what a Siemens look like. It looks like this, and it's still functional. As you can see, it actually has messages in it. See, yes, it actually has messages, stuff like that. So yeah, this is the phone that I'm using, in case you are wondering. So this is how we are going to do it. We are going to power this thing off. Let's power it off. Right, slide power off like it. So we power it off. Can you see? Okay, where is it? Right, slide to power it off. So, and it's done. So what we need to do now is to connect our USB cable, our direct cable for the iPhone, and then there it is. And you need to press the home button for this thing, this little thing there. Let me put it there. You need to press the home button right there, and while you're pushing that thing there, you need to insert that thing right in there. And then you keep holding, right there. Now it's done. And you have to have your iTunes open. So when you do that, this is how it will tell you what it will tell you. So what you need to do is, because it has that, I need to restore it. So I'm going to say restore, and then wait for it to do everything. Restore and update. That will be the next thing. It is doing what it's doing. It's doing its magic, just 1 2 magic, 1 2 magic, and we just have to wait for it. And then we just have to go next. And no one ever reads this, guys. This is so important. But anyway, we're gonna read it. I don't know, in my next lifetime. So we just click next again, and let's see what it does. What is it gonna do? What is it gonna do? We're waiting for it. Is it done? Okay. It's doing something here. I'm not sure if you also noticed here. Right there. The heck? That's madness, guys. That is madness. Complete madness. I ain't waiting 3 hours for no one. Okay, guys, I'm going to pause this and we're gonna resume when the thing is done. And yeah, that's my little sound system, Bluetooth, all of it. Even though there's a really huge speaker behind me that really huge for that many of you won't know. Yeah,
it's a flash.
It's 30 minutes later, guys, and we are almost done. Just wait for it. And it's done. So it's saying it's done, and iTunes is preparing. to restore the software on this phone. Still nothing there yet. Nothing at all. It's still extracting the software, as you can see. Still has some time to go there. So you just have to be patient with this whole thing. And this is my new wallpaper, guys. I'm sure it's cool. You love it. Trust me. Just assort it nicely, guys, nicely, and I'll give you yours, your flag from wherever you are from. Yes, and yes, I know it's tempting to just go about rushing, but ask me nicely. Still nothing yet, still extracting, so I'm going to pause the video for now. Again, it's finishing, guys. Yeah, I'm an iPhone user. More data today. Hey, I need to juice up my iPhone. Hey, please come fix my iPhone. Hey, my iPhone did this. It's a phone. It's simple. You can just say, I need to juice my phone. I need you to fix my iPhone and stuff like that. Do you guys get your airtime from Apple? No, you don't. We get it from the same service provider. So take a chill pill, guys. And let's wait for the iPhone to actually see. I think it's a thing. It's just a thing with it. And then it's doing something. It's doing something. I'm not sure. Let's just wait and see what it's doing, what it's going to do there. Anyway, mazimbo yese muri panza obmise muri good maize. Africa Day yanga angekachikora ata ndikachikora pa ndasina zvakanda zvekuti ene pane fungu yapinda again because so hello guys, let's see where we are at, and it's saying welcome to your new iPhone, and it still has that loading power button, stuff like that. So let's just say continue. Okay, it has blurred out those options, so let's see what's going to do. So it's saying it just vibrated. I wonder, and then it only has that hidden apple by the side. So let's see, it say hello there. Then here it just said sync with iTunes. I don't want to sync anything with my iTunes, man. I just want to get this thing fixed and done. So it says hello, set up. Let's see if there's anything